Hello guys, our friends of Petgugu have sent us this pet grooming kit and vacuum. Let's unbox it and let me show you what comes inside. Inside the box, you will receive a pet grooming kit and vacuum user's manual. Here you will have all the specifications for everything that comes included and also a quick start guide on how to use the products. You will get different tips for your pet grooming vacuum. You will also get a shaver and this carrying bag for all the different tips. You will get different comb sizes so you can get a different length of hair whenever using the trimmer. And finally guys, this is our pet vacuum. It will also come with this hose so you can adapt the different tips and also make it easier for you to collect all the hair from your pet. It'll be very simple to connect. Make sure that you pull the container of the vacuum and you pull the other hose that comes included. This vacuum will also have a dryer ability. It's gonna blow up heated air. The way that this is gonna function is that you will connect this hose on this other end and the vacuum will blow heated air. This is for the purpose of drying your pet's hair and make it easier when you're grooming your pet. All right guys, so once you connect your vacuum, you will have different options. You will have the vacuum option right here, okay? Depending on this LED indicator, you will go on the speed. 3 indicates the max and this will suction the air. And if you want to turn on the heating air, you will turn it on and press this one. This will start blowing warm air through here. And depending on the LED, it's gonna be how warm this air will be. All right guys, so just for demonstration purposes, I'll be using some of these tips so that way I can show you how to use them. As soon as I turn on this, the trimmer will start also working. This is very useful if in case you want to trim your pet's hair, you can definitely just trim it, okay? And instead of getting all that mess, you will get all the pet's hair collected and I can actually trim my pet's hair with no mess. So next, I'll be using this other tool. This is for detangling and it will collect the hair. If you look at all the hair right here, and if in case you have a bigger dog or it pulls a lot of hair, you can also just go higher on the suction. Now let's go ahead and use this brush right here. So again, it's gonna have this function to remove all the hair from the brush. Very simple guys, and this is mess free. I hope that the information about this pet grooming vacuum was helpful. Definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.